I'm out at camp here and all winter long coming back and forth to camp. It can get, minus 35, even close to minus 40 sometimes. And we come out for a few days or a week and we're forever hauling back and forth all of the things that will freeze. So I finally decided to do something about it. I have a cellular router, etc. out here, so I have very reliable Wi-Fi. And I just picked up this little temperature controller, and it's called an Inkbird. They're available on Amazon. Very simple device, and how it works is you set a temperature that you want to keep something at, which in this case I've got it set, this is for testing purposes, only 61 degrees Fahrenheit. And then this is the temperature that it's actually reading. And what this thing does is it's a relay unit that will switch on, either if it's too cold, it will switch on this outlet and you can use it for heating. If it's too hot, it will switch on this outlet and you can use that to cool something. So you could use this for many, many things, exhaust fan in a building to keep it cool, or refrigeration, or just about anything you want to keep at a set temperature. So I decided to set this up with my a refrigerator in the winter that we don't use. It's an extra. And so what I did was I've got two 40-watt light bulbs on that socket that I purchased, and it's just plugged into the heating outlet. This thing comes with a sensor, and I just put the sensor, I put some paper towel under the sensor just so it's not touching the plastic, because the thermal mass of the plastic would delay the temperature sensor from picking up temperature. So I just threw that in there. I just used some tuck tape to, run it through, and now the seal on the door will close. And this is really slick, this unit. So what I'll do is I'll show you a screenshot, because I've got this connected to Wi-Fi, so I can actually track it from home. I can change temperature settings, and in the real world I'm going to keep it just around probably around 45 Fahrenheit, as opposed to 32 being freezing. So I'll keep it around 45. That way it'll never freeze. And this is a small fridge, so it doesn't take a lot of power to keep this warm. I'm sure the 240 watts will do. Can't get a better heating source or safer than a light bulb that's encased in glass. There's no way it can touch anything. Those 40s aren't hot enough to set a fire. So very, very safe the way I'm going to do this. So in any case, I will change the temperatures on this thing and show you, and it will flip the light bulbs on and raise the temperature. So basically here you can see the app is set at 61 degrees. You have options. You can go in and set the difference values, high temperature alarms, etc. I'm going to go in now and set the set point for 62 degrees, so it'll turn things on. When I set this, it flips colors. It shows you now it's heating, and now it's turned on the lights inside the refrigerator. Excellent. So there you can see I upped the temperature to 62 degrees. The set point, you can see here it says SV. I guess that's set value. Temperature in there is 60.7, and when the app, the remote app, saw that I had adjusted the temperature, the screen went orange, indicating it was heating. Now it's going to warm that up, and when it hits 62 degrees, it's going to turn the lights off again. Very slick, very easy. This is going to be a great solution to avoid hauling all kinds of stuff back and forth between home and camp when we leave and the fire goes out. So there you can see I've passed the set point and turned it down now. So the set point has been dropped down to 45 degrees. What's nice is you can hit the trend diagram and you can see what the temperature's done over time. Excellent little app. Works very good and very simple. So if you found this useful, please don't hesitate to give it a like and subscribe so some others can find it. Thanks a lot.